Hi folks, welcome to Schick Happens, and happy Friday to everyone. I hope you're gearing up for the weekend. Unless of course you're working this weekend. A friend of mine, Randy, he'll be working all weekend. Something about removing chaga with a Don saw, whatever that means. I know I'm going to kick my weekend off by spreading more mulch. I think this is our 5th load so far this spring. We probably got 2 more loads to go. A little bit of sprinkling left here, but I'm going to get started as soon as this rain lets up. I would love to be able to say I got all kinds of neat things lined up for you in the way of videos coming down the pike here soon, but I don't really. Matter of fact, I only have 2 videos in the queue. They're both bass fishing videos, so the people that fish or come to this channel to watch the fishing videos, you might enjoy them, but that's about it. I do have to get the garden weeded, but that would make for a pretty boring video. And over the next 3 days, it's supposed to be in the 90s with extremely high humidity. We're not even into summer yet officially. It's just been unseasonably warm here. And I can tell you, even before my open heart surgeries, I didn't like being in the heat. After the surgeries, I can't stand it that much more. So other than a few chores early in the morning and maybe a little bit of fishing, I might just be planted in the recliner with the AC going and a fan blowing in my face. I wonder how that would make for a video. I do think I'm going to keep this video extremely short though. Just thought I'd get something posted for Friday. Wish everyone a happy Friday and a good weekend. It's the least I could do for you guys, right? The Schickster got his pool set up. Hell, maybe I'll just come out to the barn and film Fiddle for a couple hours and do a cat video, like an hour-and-a-half long cat video. I know a couple of subscribers of mine will watch it like 55 times within the first 3 minutes. Well, I suppose I'm going to sign off here. I really don't have much else to talk about, and I know you guys can only take so much of me babbling. So anyway, again, have a great weekend, and until next time, cheers. And if you stuck around to the very end of this video, please remember one thing. United we stand, divided we fall.